What's up guys, my name is Ryan45678 and welcome back to the Edger Bike project. Last time we welded a kickstand on, we got the brake caliper bracket welded on and figured out that we're going to need to splice this line, but in the meantime I think I'm going to start mounting or at least pre-mounting everything else, such as the engine, the jackshafts, torque converter, things like that, so we can get ready to make some chains for it. If I have time today, I'll actually make the chains today. So let's I'm gonna get rid of these tape things. These were just in the hole so I didn't get paint in them when I painted them like 2 months ago. They did their job. And in case you're wondering, I don't think I'm gonna paint this, and I don't think I'm gonna paint the back end. Maybe one day, but at this point it's like, I don't know, it's not really worth the effort. If one day I feel like taking it all back apart and maybe even just like some rust protector paint or something, just so it doesn't rust out. But anyway, I think I'm gonna start with the engine. Now the bad thing about the way this came out is the suspension is a little bit tall in the back. It does kind of compress a little bit when you put weight on it, but not a whole lot. So I don't know, I don't think it's enough, because you can see it's slanted quite a bit. It's going to cause the engine to be tilted forward a little bit, which is not the end of the world. Wow, this thing is tall. Way taller than I wanted it to be, but that's okay. It's bouncy though. Yeah, at some point I might decide to lower the back suspension by cutting these and welding them back on at a higher height. We'll see. But for now, let's go ahead and get the engine mounted. I believe these are all 4 mounting bolts for the engine. So let's go ahead and get that on. This is exciting, guys. Finally putting this thing together. Yeah, that looks so cool, man. Oh yeah, another thing I don't have is foot pegs. I'll have to figure something out for those.